Hello, friends of vibrating colors! If you are looking for a structure plant that never stops blooming, that attracts bees and butterflies, and that withstands everything, then it's time to meet Salvia Rockin, the Provenwinners signature sage. What a sight! Sumptuous royal velvet flowers supported by gorgeous black calyxes. With its spectacular flower spikes in electric purple or fuchsia, on beautiful glossy green foliage, Salvia Rockin is a vertical explosion of energy in your garden or terrace. And unlike many other salvias, Rockin varieties are compact at the base, full at the top, and keep their shape all season long. It is therefore less impetuous than previous forms of this salvia, which means it is much easier to care for in containers and borders. It prefers full sun or partial shade with well-draining soil. Rockin varieties are therefore ideal for sunny flower beds in Mediterranean gardens and for large terrace pots, where they provide height and structure in combinations with lower growing plants. Here are the super advantages of the Rockin line. They grow up to a height of 60–70 centimeters with a fantastic rounded growth, perfect as a backdrop in combination with other lower or hanging plants. They show abundant and continuous flowering from May all the way to the first frosts. They are extremely resistant to heat, wind and drought. And last but not least, they are also very attractive to pollinators, a real magnet for every bee and butterfly in the neighborhood. Therefore, Salvia Rockin is the most marvelous plant for a natural, sustainable and pollinator-friendly garden. The most popular varieties are Rockin Deep Purple. They have a deep purple color, as you can see here. And Rockin Fuchsia, a bright magenta hue, which are these here. The Rockin series is a Provenwinners creation with an impressive stage presence even from a distance. And like all Provenwinners plants, it has been selected to give maximum effect with minimum effort. Now, which is your favorite? Please write it in the comments and tell us how you would combine Rockin Salvia in your garden. And then please subscribe to our channel to regularly discover new botanical wonders from Provenwinners, which means outstanding performance, innovation and style. My friends, thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time. Bye bye.